Hi, Bing! Happy 50th birthday! And isa sa mga bagay na hindi ko malilimutan nung una kitang na-meet first time ay nung unang araw ko din dito sa Canada, sa Toronto. Then pag uwi ko ng apartment galing sa airport, kasama ko si Jovi, niyaya mo agad ako pumunta sa Yorkdale. So parang may jet lag pa ako, tapos nagpunta tayo sa mall. Pero I think it's not that difficult after all. Naging magkasundo tayo, magkasama tayo sa apartment ni Jovi, and I think wala din akong matandaan na parang hindi natin masyadong napagkasunduan. Kung meron man, very slight kasi hindi ko na siya maalala. Ang naalala ko lang is yung isang bagay na yon at saka yung nabuo nating friendship. I think I can say that we had a good friendship together as housemates dun sa apartment sa Toronto. And now, meron na tayong kanya-kanyang pamilya, and kare-relocate lang din namin dito sa Calgary. So, thank you so much, and I wish you all the best on your birthday. Of course, good health, and we may not be there physically, but you know that we wish you all the best, and we love you. We just have the family na kailangang i-attend to. That's why hindi kami makasunod sa iyo dyan sa Toronto. But for sure, with all your families in Toronto, you will have a blast. So, happy birthday again, and God bless. Thank you.
Happy golden birthday, Bing! Enjoy your special day and your celebration with your family and friends. Kami ang iyong mga karaoke buddies for almost 2 decades at more karaoke days to come. I wish you all the best in life and of course, good health. God bless. Enjoy.
Hi, Bing! Hello! Happy birthday! Surprisahin ka dapat namin nagawin kaso hindi na permit us to do so. So, 50 ang fabulous ka na rin. O, diba? Wishing you many more years of good health and happiness. Have fun in your birthday. Ingat lagi and God bless you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Mama Bing! Naalala mo yung dinala mo ko sa Kapitan Moy para sa isang art class. I think painting yung lesson nung time na yun. Though, hindi na siya naulit after that. Pero isa siya sa mga core memories ko with you. Also, yung sabay tayo nag-swimming lessons sa may, sa pagkakatanda ko sa may SDS Hospital, malapit yun, sa may Marikina Heights. And, ayun, so, pagdating sa mga bagong experiences or arts especially, ayun, yun yung fondest memories ko with you. And naalala ko din na kapag may assignment ako nung elementary, lalo pag involved ang drawing, ikaw yung taga-drawing ko. Naalala ko, meron kang dinrawing para sa project ko. Ang dinrawing mo is babaeng nananahi. Hindi ko na maalala kung bakit yun yung dinrawing, pero yun, naalala ko yung nung ginagawa mo yung drawing. Naalala ko yung memory na yun. And I'm very happy na natutuloy mo pa din yung love mo sa arts and crafts. Pag nagkukwento ka sa akin, ang dami mong natry na mga bago. And like yung cake, actually interested din akong mag-bake at mag-decorate ng cake. Kaya nung nakita ko na gumagawa ka din nun, super happy ako for you. And sayang wala ako dyan. Ang dami sana natin pwedeng gawin. Like kung hindi man mag-drawing, mag-arts, mag-dance din. Happy birthday, and I wish you all the best. Of course, palaging mag-iingat and take care of your health and enjoy your day. Bye!
Hello! Our tiny little cutie Lindy, the prettiest in the family, so they say. Although sabi nga, baka raw may mag-protest. If ever may kayo mag-protest, baka ako yun. Meron daw. Siyempre, ikaw yung pinakamaganda sa lahat. Lagi, pinaka-special sa lahat. And you know how special you are? As early as February, birthday pa lang ni Nene. Abay, kinukulit na kami na mag-send daw kami ng message para sa 50th birthday. Imagine ba? 50 ka na. Parang hindi ko matanong. But anyway, sabi ni Nene, dapat bago mag-March 31 ay maisabit na namin. Pero we were not able to meet the deadline. Kasi masyadong busy ang ate mo. So always, maski nasa bahay na, busy. But then, hindi namin pwedeng palagpasin yung pagkakataon na hindi makabati sa'yo. On this your very, very special day. Nandito ka lang, it would be the grandest event na pwede namin i-celebrate, hindi ko na i-celebrate katulad ng ike noon at then andyan ka. So, anyway, marami pa tayong oras pero sana makapunta kayo rito agad. Alam mo na, magsi-69 na this year. 69, Bing. 69. Oh, si Nene, merong format kung anong gagawin pag-grade sa'yo and all that. Pero kung pwedeng sumunod yun, no? Kapatid mo ko, panganay ko, hindi pwede. No? Kantahan pa kita ng Delilah. Pakita nila. So, kapatid ko, pinaka-special namin kapatid sila. Hindi ko makakalimutan. Hindi tayo masyadong matagal na customer, no? Nung 4 years old ka, yun ang natatandaan ko. Nasa hospital ka para i-cauterize yung mga cyst mo sa mata. Hindi ko makakalimutan. Tapos noon, after so many years, sakalan tayo nagkita and mabuti na lang, medyo iyon, doon ka nag-stay na konti sa amin ng matagal-tagal. Hindi ko makakalimutan ang mga pagiging, ang tawag doon? Masyado pang, masyadong pihika. Mabuti na lang pala, hindi ka na sinusubuan noon. Kung nagkataon, susubuan pa rin kita kung kinakailangan, no? Naalala ko yung manliligaw mo, nakulang na lang si Pasipain lang yung police. Na yung paggawa ko ng mga flowers. Ito yung mga hindi maaari sa isip ko. At yung last time na nanggaling kayo rito, pero parang kailan lang yun, lalaki na ng mga bata. Dalaga na. And I congratulate you for raising a good family. So happy birthday, my dear. I love you so much. And hope to see you all so soon. Happy birthday, and may God bless you more. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Judy Bird. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Tol. Sorry I missed your 50th birthday. I wish you good health, stay happy and blessed. We love you.
We love you. Happy birthday, Bing.
Hi everyone! Hi Bing! Happy 50th birthday! I love you and I miss you so much! Tara, balikan naman dito, namimiss na kita. Para balikan natin yung Pelican sa Huntington Beach. Namimiss na din niya tayo. So I hope you love this video. Pinaghirapan ni Ate Glens to. Kinulit niya lahat ng mga kamag-anak natin, ng mga kaibigan mo, para lang sa video na to. So, sana magustuhan mo kung paano namin nabuo. And I hope you'll have a blast on your special day. I love you so much and I miss you and I hope to see you soon. Sana sama mo si Ate Glens, pati na rin si Ite. Okay, bye! I love you guys!
Hi, Bing! Kumusta na? I just want to greet you a happy golden birthday. And sana natatanda mo pa ako, si Jerwin ng Nexus. And sana magkita-kita tayo uli soon. I hope you have a great time in your birthday. And I wish you many more birthdays to come. Bye-bye!
Hello, Bing. Randy Mundo here. Alam mo, Glenda loves you so much. It's March 17, and as early as today, it's your birthday daw on May 6. Happy birthday. And I hope you guys can come see my show. Come home once in a while and see my show. Or better yet, I hope to do a show there. God bless you. Happy birthday. Stay healthy. Stay beautiful. And yeah, I do remember you girls.